before we will see the concept of what is meant by electric flux. Now let's see the another important concept, that will be the electric flux density. Okay, this electric flux density is also said to be the electric displacement vector, also known as electric displacement vector. Electric displacement vector. Okay, the formula for this electric flux density, that be the d bar, that will be equal to epsilon into E bar. This formula is very important. They will be asked in the multiple choice questions. This formula be that much of importance. And what will be the epsilon? Epsilon be the permittivity of any medium, right? It has no units. Epsilon be the permittivity of any medium. It has no units. And what will be the epsilon? Epsilon can also be written as epsilon naught into epsilon r. Right? What will be the value for the epsilon naught? You already know from the couple of sessions. This be the 8.85 into 10 to the power of minus 12 farad per meter. Okay. Now let's see some simple concepts based on the flux, how this electric flux density has to be there. This concept is very important in order to start the Gauss law. In the next class we will see the important concept for your examination point, whether you have to be in the competitive examination point of your GATE examination point of our ESE. Gauss law be that much of importance, plays a crucial role. Okay, for that in order to apply that Gauss law, you must have to be know this electric flux. This be the simple glimpses only for that Gauss law. Okay, for example, if I take this be my cube. Okay, I don't think so. I will get an perfect cube or not. Okay, please adjust yourself. Here for this cube, I just want to find my differential surface for this cube. How you can find the differential surface? You can't find out the entire surface. That's why you have to be taking some certain part. For that part, you have to be do some analysis. Whatever the answer you will get, after that you just have to apply your integration. Then you will get your total surface for this surface. For example, if I want to find out this differential surface, what will happen? Okay, here you can see similar cube I will be taken. Here I will be taking in cube. Okay, I will be consider this face. If I want to insert my pen into the cube, it will be possible? No, it can't be possible, right? Why? Because inside the cube there will be a lot of mass be present. That's why my pen, the possible chance be this be the possible chance. Outside be the possible chance, but inside be the not possible, right? So for example, this will become my ds bar, and for example, if you take this will become my ds bar, right? Similarly, if I am taking my upside here, now I am taking in the before section, I will be taking this side. Now I will take in the upside. Upside also, if you want to insert your pen inside the cube, that can't be possible. That's why outside be possible, right? Why you can't insert? That be because of mass. So here if you take downside also like this it will be possible, right? And here if you apply for this is possible way. This be my ds bar. And similarly, if you want to take your cylinder, what will happen? If you want to consider your cylinder, for example, if you take this be your cylinder, suppose if you take here your differential surface, if you want to find out here your differential surface, inside it can't be possible. Why? Because it has lot of mass be present. For example, this be your cylinder. Assume that this be your cylinder. I just want to find this differential surface here. If I want to just insert the pen into this water bottle, it can't go, right? Why? Because here mass be present. Here in the mass, here mass be the water, right? Inside it can't be go, outside be the possible direction. So in this way it can go, right? Similarly, this be your ds bar, and here upside also it can't go inside. This be your differential surface, and the downside also this be your differential surface, and similarly here also this be your differential surface. And similarly, if you consider your cube, sorry not a cube, sphere, if you consider your sphere, okay, here also if you consider your sphere, okay, what you have to do means, if I just want to insert my pen into the ball, into this ball, it will be possible? No, right? Why? Because inside the ball there will be a lot of mass be present. What will be the chance? Outside be like this, outside be outside, but inside it can't be go. Why? Because mass be present. Here if you take here, if you want to find out your differential surface, here it will be like this, ds bar. And similarly, if you want to find out your differential surface like this, outside be only possible, inside it can't be go, right? ds bar. And here this will become your ds bar. Okay. If you want to observe this type of sessions, you will get to know how you can do that. But if you get to know this type of silly type of results, you will be just think that it will be that much of easy. Okay, whenever you have to be applied this type of differential surfaces in your Gauss law, then you will get to know the beauty of these concepts. Okay, if you really like this video, please like my video, share my video, as well as subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.